Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I'm gonna be doing a review on the Spigen Tough Armor case. Comes with the kickstand. This is a black version. I got this on Amazon for $15.99, basically 16 bucks. Form fitted for device, ultimate everyday protection, stable mounting. Because of the kickstand, let's get this open. Let me show you the back side. I'm recording on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which is why I'm doing it one-handed. Try to do this as fast as I can. Get this out of the plastic. You can see the instruction pamphlet. That's all it comes with. You guys can figure it out. That's for the power button side, for all your ports, your speaker, your mic, Type-C port. There's the kickstand in the back, it says Spigen. The volume keys and that extra button for Bixby button or whatever you customized it to open. It's a 3-piece case. The rubber part, plastic, and the third piece is the kickstand. The kickstand comes out, so I don't want you guys to panic. If you accidentally, it comes off and also comes back on, so don't panic. If you see this fall off, you see these prongs, you insert them into the holes for the prongs. As long as these prongs are not broken off, you should be fine. I'm pretty sure you could replace them. So you see the logo Spigen. So you flip it to the other side. See what it says. Something you want. So this is going to be on this side. You're going to insert it into the hole. Like that. You kind of lift the case. And then you insert it. Line it up with the little side holes. The little carvings. And you should be good. Do not flip this case over. You put this rubber part in first, because this rubber piece holds the piece, is because it's kind of loose, so it puts pressure onto it, so it's kind of holding the kickstand in place. So as you can see, the kickstand works. You could view this. There's different viewing angles. There's a first one, and this one is a little bit more upright. All you have to do is flip the case this way, vice versa. Rotate it like that. Has two viewing angles. There's the case. Thank you for watching this video. Like, dislike, subscribe, do whatever you want. Thanks for watching this video.